The commands are also visible here in the help, and we will take a look at them. So you can select serial port. u-blox modules, they work over a serial port interface. You need to tell the system which port you've connected your module to. Send 80, you can send 80 commands to the device. You can send all your script files to the device. You can also retrieve files from the device and clear files from the device. And you can start something called a serial monitor. A serial monitor is an output area that you can see at the bottom of your development environment, where output from the module will be seen, debug prints and other output. So you can start and stop this serial monitor. Run script combines a number of the actions, so it will download your script and start the serial monitor and reset the module, which will trigger execution of your script. You can select a working directory from where to send files to the device. Normally you don't need to do that. The default is the root of the workspace, but if you want a folder structure with, for example, documentation, etc., it could be useful. You can restart the device. You can toggle the DTR pin, which is one of the pins in the UART interface. This will help you change modes on the module. And you can also send single files. Instead of downloading all files in the working environment, you can send one single file.